clear to start. Moving a body outside, Big Boss James. In the middle portion now is Stormville. Then followed now by Batang Baklaran. Then going along for the first turn with by Sheltex. Moving a body outside is Stormville. Then 4 lengths further back in third comes Big Boss James. Batang Baklaran. Toy for the Big Boy in the middle portion. Iikot lang while Chep Nitz is racing in last. Back to the rear. Two runners now matching their strides together. Running by the release, Michelle Tex. And on the outside is a Stormbell. Big Boss James is racing in third. And in fourth, Toy for the Big Boy. Iikot lang Chep Nitz while Batang Baklaran now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Michelle Tex. This time increasing its lead to about 4 lengths. Big Boss James to take second. Then followed by Iikot lang is Stormbell. Toy for the Big Boy with about 150 meters left to run. We have Michelle Tex now racing away. And finally, Michelle Tex second. Big Boss James, iikot lang. Chep Nitz, Toy for the Big Boy.